Now we're going to add a way for the user to enter a date. And to do this, go right under the select statement, but still stay inside that div. And I'm going to put this in a paragraph because I want it to be on its own. And remember that input elements are in line. So I don't want them one after another. I want them one from top to bottom, not side by side. So this is an input element, but we change the type to date. Notice how my editor expects there to be a name. This is where we define a variable, and I'm going to call this variable date. I'm also going to add an ID, so I'm going to use date here too, and I can use that to connect to this label. So I'm add a label and use the for attribute to connect to it. So I put date, the same value as the ID, and in here I can put the text that I want. Enter a date. I save this and come back over here and refresh. And now I get a date. Now notice what options you get with a date. It comes up by default empty, just showing the format. And you can either click up or down and move from the month to the day and click up and down, or you can click this down arrow and check on a month date. All right, where it gives you that. Now this is the default calendar that you get. I've got a little bit of style on the input itself, but this is the default calendar that you get with Chrome. Each browser will provide their own date option. So there, and that fills it automatically. And that's how you get a date input.